stickers. Yes, 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 we made it already. Yes, yes, yes. I am super excited. I know by now you've watched the complete video of the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So we are talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, like the creators combo. We did it, girls. I am super excited. You all know how much I loved this camera. I still love it, okay, because after unboxing it, I literally was emotional, because I know that without the support that I got from you all, there was no way I would have been able to get it so soon. Like, it was a dream. It's a dream come true. It's a dream come true, and I am so so excited. So now let me give you a little backstory about this camera. Okay, so I got this very camera exactly on the 25th of December last year. I mean 25th of December 2024. That was the day that I received this camera, and trust me when I say I wouldn't have been able to get this camera if not for your support and love. Okay, so I know you know that I appreciate you all, but I want to remind you once again, in case you have forgotten or in case you're thinking about it, like you have a second thought, does she really love us? Yes, I do. I love you all so much. I mean it. I love you and I appreciate it. Look, this DJI is actually for me and you, because me and you, same. You already know, brother man. So I am saying thank you to all my supporters for the super chats, for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, for encouraging me, for bringing money out of your hard-earned money to super chat me. Thank you so very much. You all got this girl her dream camera. Oh, my baby, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kisses to all of you. Mwah. On this channel, we're going to grow separate. Okay, this year I have said to God that the same way He brought about this camera is the same way He's going to help us to grow massively. So you all, please do not keep that support away from me. Keep the support coming in, because this camera is not cheap. I mean it. This camera is not cheap. I spent 1.3 million naira in Nigerian money to buy this camera. It's that expensive. I paid 1.3 million naira to buy this camera alone. And if you're buying this Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo DJI, you have to buy a memory card. Okay, I'm going to insert the picture of the particular kind of memory card that you buy. This small memory card actually costs 65,000 naira. So for my people that are wondering how I was able to buy this camera with ease in Nigeria, I bought this camera from Nedu Digitals. Okay, he's a plug that Ogom Cyril mentioned. Okay, Ogom Sirius is a YouTuber here on YouTube that is very supportive. I'm sure if you're a Nigerian YouTuber, you should at least know her as one of the biggest YouTuber in Nigeria. Okay, so shout out to you, Ogom Sirius, for plugging us to a very reliable vendor. Nedu Sabiabe, the guy is trusted and is very reliable. You all, after paying, I paid on the December 24th and I got my goods December 25th. Like, that was how fast and reliable Nedu Digitals is. Okay, so I paid him on the 24th and I got this 25th. For all my darlings that are wondering and begging God for this camera, believing God that one day they will get their own camera, I am here to tell you that God will do it. Me, I knew I was going to have it one day, but I didn't think of it like to come to me last year. It came to me so soon, sooner than I thought. Okay, God did it through my supporters, through my viewers, through my amazing family here on YouTube. So I want you to have faith in God, believe in Him. Just keep doing what you're doing. Okay, keep doing what you're doing. Your own Osmo Pocket 3 will hit you on the head. Bye, y'all.